Meet the beluga, a charismatic and social whale that inhabits Arctic and subarctic waters. With their distinctive white coloring and bulbous forehead, belugas stand out as one of the most recognizable whale species. Belugas are highly social creatures, and they use a diverse range of vocalizations to communicate with each other in the vast Arctic waters, known as the Canaries of the sea. But what makes them the most special is their great curiosity towards humans. They are friendly toward humans and frequently approach boats and divers. In captivity, belugas are more likely to engage in social interactions with humans, including returning items to people, listening to music, and even attempting to mimic human speech. More astoundingly, there was a true story from 2009 in China about a beluga named Mila who saved the life of a person. Who doesn't like these captivating creatures?